morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm gonna be styling the new rain guards that I have. I bought these ones from Subaru. Oh, but before I say that, I haven't been posting videos in a while because it's taking forever for the shipment, you know. Got a big surprise tomorrow. I'm gonna be installing this beauty right here, Fortune Auto, baby. Look at this. So I'm very excited about it. Finally, I'm gonna lower my car. That's one of the things I've been waiting for a long time. I ordered these ones in December. I got it like almost March, technically. So it was a while. I also got these beautiful breed seats that I'm gonna be installing pretty much in the... So I think next video I'm gonna be talking about these guys, and then after that video I'm gonna be installing the breed seats. Actually, I've been waiting to install those because I really wanna get like a quick release. I want the Word quick release, but the problem with that one is like takes forever to get. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy those or I'm gonna buy something that I can get to. I bought this on Amazon too. It's for like the side mirrors. Let's see how it looks. I don't know if I'm gonna install them. Only if I love them, like how they look. We'll see outside. I'm gonna be working outside today. It's pretty sunny, so that's pretty nice. That way I don't have to go to my garage. That is pretty dark. So I got the Fortune Auto, I got the breed seats coming on. Let's talk about the rain guards. So it will come 4 pieces like this. One's gonna be like the white color, the one the blue. The white package is the driver part, and the blue will be the passenger. And it will also come with the clips right here. I'm gonna install the clips right now. Right here, as you can tell, it has the thing. Just put it there, and it will click. Here we go. I'm gonna do the other side as well. You have the clips right here. Facing up. We'll click here, hey, and it will also click here. There we go. First thing I'm gonna do is like take this part out, so like open the door a little bit, and then right from here and take it off. Fit these ones.